Hi, in this video, you will learn how to combine the if function along with the or function, which are both from the logical functions category, to perform two or more logical tests. So in this scenario, we want to test to show that the record in the type column is equal to grass or the total value is greater than 500. You come here and type equals to if, then you type or immediately. Our first logical test is if v5 is equal to grass or c5 is greater than 500, close the bracket, comma. If one of the two conditions is met, we want to return yes, comma. If none of them is met, we want to return no, close the bracket, hit enter. You can just copy our formula down. So one of the two conditions must be met when it comes to or. Found this useful? Give it a thumbs up.